So these are the nitrogen bases. They are purines and pyrimidines. So purines are two types, adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines are three types. They are thiamine, cytosine and uracil. Thiamine, cytosine, uracil. Please remember, uracil is present only in RNA, absent in DNA. In a similar way, thiamine is present in DNA, absent in RNA. Now you have seen the structures of all compounds. That is nitrogen bases, sugars and phosphate. Now what happens, a nitrogen base, sugar and phosphate. These three molecules are united together to form a structure called as nucleotide. Nitrogen base, sugar and phosphate reacted together, forming into a structure called as nucleotide. I'll show you one structure. So adenine, sugar and phosphate. These three together produces a nucleotide, namely adenosine monophosphate or adenolic acid. So now let us see one by one. So what is a nucleotide? What is a nucleotide? What is a nucleotide? What is a nucleotide? Nucleotide is a structure formed by, look at here, Emma, this is adenine, this is adenine, so this is adenine. So now what happens? This is adenine. What is happening? Adenine forms a bond with a sugar. Adenine forms a bond with a sugar. This is a sugar. So this is carbon number 1. This is carbon number 2. This is carbon number 3. This is carbon number 4. This is carbon number 5. Now what happens, a bond is formed between the nitrogen base and sugar, leaving one water molecule. This structure is known as nucleoside. A structure formed between the nitrogen base and sugar. A structure formed between the nitrogen base and sugar is known as nucleoside. This is known as adenine and sugar. Hence it is called as adenosine. Adenosine. So it is a nucleoside. Nitrogen base plus sugar. Nitrogen base plus sugar united together. Nitrogen base plus sugar united together to form nucleoside or adenoside. Now what happens, phosphate reacts with this. Now phosphate reacts with this nucleoside, so leaving one water molecule here also. So kabatti O connect chestadi renditlo. So then nitrogen base, sugar and phosphate. So nitrogen base plus sugar and phosphate, that is called as adenosine monophosphate, or this is called as adenolic acid. This is called as adenolic acid. And remember, the bond between the sugar and nitrogen base is known as N-glycosidic bond. The bond formed between the sugar and nitrogen base is known as N-glycosidic bond. The bond between the phosphate and sugar, this is called as phosphoester bond. phospho is third bond. So now we got nucleotide. So nucleotide is a structure formed nitrogen base, sugar and phosphate. All these three will unite together to form the structure called as nucleotides. Like that, 4 kinds of nucleotides are formed in DNA. One with adenine, sugar, phosphate, one type of nucleotide. Guanine, sugar, phosphate, another type of nucleotide. Thymine, sugar, phosphate, third type of nucleotide. Then cytosine, sugar, phosphate, another type of nucleotide. Like that, 4 kinds of nucleotides are formed to make the DNA molecule. So nitrogen base, sugar and phosphate, these 3 will unite together to form a structure called as nucleotides. Like that, 4 kinds of many nucleotides are formed. All will join together to form a long chain, a polynucleotide chain. Like that, another chain is formed. So these 2 polynucleotide chains are united together to form a double helical, double stranded, double chained compound, namely DNA. That we'll discuss tomorrow. Naluguru వెళ్ళిపోయారు.